Today, I will be demonstrating how to set up a printer on a Mac ready to wirelessly scan a document using image capture. So before we start, make sure your printer is switched on and connected to the internet. Now to begin with, we need to go into our system preferences, which can be located in your applications folder, or by clicking the Apple logo here and selecting it from the drop-down menu. From this system preferences window, navigate to printers and scanners and click it. As you can see, no printers are currently available, so we need to add ours by hitting this Add button. From this second window, I can see my printer, and when I select it, if I scroll down to the drop-down menu next to Use, I have two wireless options. AirPrint basically means that you wirelessly scan or print from an Apple device without having to download any additional drivers or software. And Secure AirPrint does the same thing as AirPrint, but what you are sending and receiving from your printer will be kept safe from other people being able to see it. So this is the one I suggest keeping selected. Now that's done, just hit Add. And as you can see, the printer is now listed and we are ready to proceed to image capture. Image capture is located in your applications folder. However, there is a shortcut to it from this window by coming across here and clicking Scan and then Open Scanner. So now your printer and scanner is set up, please continue to the next video where I will show you how to adjust and wirelessly scan an image using image capture.